Hey guys, my name is Ash and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have something really cool for video creators, and that is the Godox RS60R, which is this guy here. Now it's a LED light and that features a projection unit to help you get some really cool and unique concepts. So let's open this up and see what we have here. The RS60R is an RGB LED monolight that delivers powerful, compact and highly versatile lighting for filmmakers, photographers, content creators and streamers. In this kit we get a projection unit included. Now this allows you to create some really unique and creative concepts. We get this high quality branded carry bag. We get a really long power cable included, which is amazing, especially if you need the light far away from a plug point. A swivel mounting adapter. This kit comes with a V-mount option, so we get a D-tap cable included. Here we have an accessory piece that allows you to power the light with either an NPF type battery or via DC. The gobo holder and patterns for when using the projection unit. Here we have the 36-degree projection unit. Now just having this included in the kit makes it such great value for money. Now this lens allows you to focus the beam so you can control the sharpness of the light on your subject or the background. There are also additional lens sizes that can be purchased separately. And here we have the RS60R with the V-mount handle kit. With its modular design, we can switch between the power adapter, the NPF adapter, and there is also a battery pack that is sold separately. The lens reflector is removable, which allows you to attach the projection unit as well as additional modifiers that are designed for this light. The control wheel is designed for one-handed use and it is really quick and easy to navigate through the menu. In CCT mode, we have a color range of 1800 to 10,000 Kelvin. In HSI, we get the full 360-degree color wheel. We can also fine-tune our colors using RGBWW, and as a bonus, we get the popular FX modes. We can control the light directly from the fixture or remotely via the wired DMX option. We can also control the light wirelessly via Bluetooth using the Godox Light app. Now the further away you are from your subject, the larger the projection beam will be. The Godox Light app is available for both Apple and Android. You can easily pair between Bluetooth and NFC. Now the app gives you pro level control over all settings and allows you to fine tune to the perfect settings to meet your needs. And that brings about a quick end to this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and see you soon.